welcome to my channel Chandi ke dil se. Oh my goodness, again. So friends, today the video is going to be very special. So I want to give you some unique content, so please help me guys, and by suggesting your whatever you want to see on my channel, you please suggest me, and I will try my level best to cover all such topic that you are suggesting every day. Means every day I'm getting the demand for new things. So I am also very excited to cover all those content. So somebody has told me, ma'am, can you drive in gloves? So the situation, the present scenario means everyone is wearing the gloves, and so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to drive this with wearing this cotton gloves. So here I'm going to wear it as I'm driving. Hey, I'm driving and I'm not holding car. Oh my goodness, I'm not holding the steerings also, but it's not safe. My goodness. My goodness. Yes, wow, it's feeling so nice. Cotton gloves, wow, very good. And it's matching with my dress also, wow. That's cool.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah.
I want to check if I can take turn in this. So I have to be a little bit careful. I have to wait for all the cars. Yes, so no problem, no issues. Very normally I'm using, so it's good. This is best. Gloves are very comfortable in driving. Now I'm going to check सी मैं पहनने वाली थी, लेकिन देखिए तो इसकी तो क्वालिटी भी अच्छी नहीं है, तो दिस इज नॉट गुड। दिस इज नॉट गुड। मतलब ये आप बार बार चेंज कर सकते हैं, बार बार पहन सकते हैं, बट ये आई थिंक 1 टाइम और 2 टाइम यूज कर रहा हुआ है ये, तो ये बेकार है, तो मुझे नहीं लगता है। चलो ठीक है, एक इसका दूसरा पैर है, सो चलो इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑपरेट समवन विद दिस ग्लव्स। ओह माय गॉडनेस, अगेन what is this? What is this? No,
I'm going crazy. I'm going.
Driving with cotton gloves, and cotton gloves driving was a little bit more comfortable, and I was getting the grip, how to hold it and how to like take a hold the steering, so it was perfectly okay with the cotton gloves, but so आपने देखा ही किस तरह से वो बीच में ही फट गया, तो सेफ्टी की जगह तो सेफ्टी तो आपको नहीं देगा, तो एंड आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट। चलिए मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में, एंड lots ऑफ thank you so much for watching my video, so we will meet in next vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.